besties, at the corridor. So in ya kwenda living room, the living room, this the toilet, then hapa ni mahali pa kuogea, and then this leads to my door, to my bedroom besties. Juu inakaa hivi. So taras, enjoy. So ukikuja unafungia tu hivi. Yes, I will change Aki besties. Hii ni aibu sana. I will buy a key holder for this instead of this, but it's cause I really am at home, ndo maana sijaifikiria. So hapa kunanga kitu, but at least ni ya kushikilia mlango ifike tu hapo. So in here kuna cardboards, wardrobe, wardrobe zinatoka kutoka hapo juu. That's the ceiling. That's another lighting over there, and this is another lighting over here besties. Hapa ndo naikanga manguo, and too bad on that wardrobe yenye huko mwisho haifungiki vizuri, so we have to look for a carpenter akuja nitengenezee vizuri. So I'm going to start. Definitely have this calendar nilipewa na mom, 2021. It's a crown one. If you like it, crown it. Thinking space and all that. Besties, wow, I love this interior. Deco ya hapa hivi iko fiti sana. So in September and all that, yeah, I can't wait for here. This my birthday month. Hey, boom. So you're just going to open and see how I have arranged besties. And don't mind if I don't have a lot of clothes, because I really am at home. So this up there is nothing over it. So hapo ndo na hang koti zangu, my coat. Alafu here hizi ni mishipi, and here these are I keep dirty clothes besties. These are my dirty clothes. And hapo chini hakuna kitu yoyote besties, nothing over it. And you can see besties that it's dusty. I'm going to clean it well besties. Iko a bit dusty. So this is the first wardrobe, and then to the second one. Here last nothing. It's so empty, so empty besties. And boom, let's open up and see what we have in here. In here besties, I have less clothes. Just imagine, these are the clothes that I have. Uko juu, nothing besties. So in here, this is where I put my bra, my panty, and also handkerchiefs, some pads. And here this is where I put my t-shirts. And then this is where I put my tops. No, here, imagine those are the only tops that I have. Aki, these are very big joke besties, like any joke ingine, which even I don't know. So besties, in here down, that's my laptop bag, my 2 bags that I came with. Yeah, I love this one in particular. I remember I bought it when I was in college. Imenipea service, and if you check in here, nimeshona sijui mara ngapi. You see, nimeshona mara mingi, and I just love it because it gives me space. Halafu kuna mahali ya kuweka hapa. Then I just love it. It's just simple and legit. Now this one I bought it in Mombasa. This bag, I just love it. The color, I love blue besties. And then you can see some decors over it, and then it's spacious. Unaweza beba tungo tuwili tutatu. Know what's in here, but it's a bit dirty, so I'll have to like wash it besties. So this one, that's bag. And now this one, this currently I bought it at around 1,500. Is it besties? Inaka hivo. At the outer part, this it's inaka hivi, and then I just love the inside part of it besties. You can see how it is. Alafu it has got a lot of space that you can put bags, spaces in your laptop. You are secured, like haitani besties, like sorry, you see how it is. So I'm trying to open it up for you bestie so that you can see. That's the inside part of it. Then iko na kikitu ngumu hapa hivi soft, so that ukiwa na laptop haiwezi gonga, hata venye ukiweza iwekanisha tu mahali it's spongy, nothing that's going. So inside it naka hivi besties, and there's my laptop bag, and this now you hold up hapa, just hold it in here na bebea hapa. You can decide, you can either close it over here and carry it this way, or you can just carry it this part besties. This is my first doll that my mama bought it for me. Kamekuwa kachafu, but I just love it. I took her pia, nilimchukulia pia. This mine, and then this hers, so that I have to Google AdSense pin. Yeah, so and then this is a beautiful fish besties. This is my dad's actually. So in here, let's see what I kept. Hapa nimeweka tu some Q-Tex, nothing much besties. Q-Tex and inner. Do you apply this? Like you just put these on your nail and then unafunga na karatasi. This is how I was brought up nikitumia inner. Yeah, and I loved it. And then unalala nayo the whole night, then unaamkia kuitoa siku ingine. And so these are some of the storybooks that actually I have. My dad bought these for me when I was a little baby. This one is the Magic Stone, and then this girl with a vision, and then this another one, little Wangoi. So nilikuwa nimejambia, you can see this my dad's handwriting besties. Yeah, that's my full name, Juguna Immaculate Wanjiko. And nilikuwa nimeamua, like when I'm at home I'm going to read these books. I love stories besties, so just put them here. When I feel nataka kusoma, I just soma. Then this for security besties. Actually in firimbi besties, anything might go bad, so for your own security at least unapuliza na hii. So that's why my mama bought this for us. Everyone has got this. And then this is a power bank. This hini cable. I don't know whether it's 50. Oh god, see boy. Anyway, tajipoesha tu yenyewe. And now this diclofenac, this when you're naumango na cramps, I usually take this. I don't know if it's a diclofenac or is it Buscopan. And now this brufen juu ya kichwa, I just have it. I don't know why is mbona ifungiki. Let me just try and close it. Haifungiki besties. Why? At least finally imekubali kuzima. So this is my cute purse. This I usually put like vitu kama my IDs, all that, and cash. And now here this is where I put my shillings coin, and this the balloon that I usually use for my face. This one nice and lovely for my body. Alafu hapa ndo nimeweka tu vitu tu Q-Tex and all that. This is another baby doll that I was given by my mom. I treasure that so much. And now this is the mirror. I know it's a bit how would I say it, ni chafu kidogo, but I'm going to clean it besties. So down here you can see there is that besties. Yeah, my keys. These are phone ring lights. Actually just press over here, let me just show you. Okay, that's a phone ring light. So when I'm vlogging I just use this sometimes. This is like a small phone. This is my dad's actually phone. This is the lip gloss and all that. This is some of the makeup kidogo. And definitely simnajua hiyo. Actually that one was bought by my mom. Yep. So to the next one. This is my towel. So here, this is where you find some dresses, and these are some of the trousers that I have. Now some of here are some of the sweaters zenye niko nazo besties. So that's it. And some of viatu besties. If I'm telling you, like, literally I don't have a lot in the house besties. That's it anyway, but I'm going to buy some. So here there's a switch, because actually in my room we have got 2 switches. That's it, one over there besties. And so welcome to my bed. Yeah, this is my comfortable bed that I sleep when nikikuja ushago besties. Tell me, how do you need your bed? And I know in a way I don't have a mat, of which I'm planning to buy a mat over here and also a mat over here juu ya baridi. So that's it besties. I have no doors. It's not that fancy besties, but at least nasaidia. So this, I love music. I'm a love of music. Now these are fresh. Napenda kukula, kutafuna. And now these are torch, just in case stima zipote. Oh god, not haina moto. I'm supposed to charge it. You see how iko na ndogo sana. I'm supposed to charge this. And down here there is nothing besties. Like nothing. I love how it is. It's just details. And then over here I still love it. Just love it besties. So that's my small bed. And up there there's my window. Yeah, there's my window. And then you can see there is a switch over here. Tukiangalia huko, this is what you see besties. Let me just do this for you besties. That's the shamba. So nikiwa kwa window, that's over there. Oh god, let me just see whether it's going to pop out well. So that's the shamba besties, venye unakaa hivyo. And then on that side, that's like another balcony over here of our house. Yeah, home balcony besties. So that's what I see. The switch, I have to double switch. And also over there are also some 2 boards that I'm supposed to by day to buy some flowers over here and there. And that's it besties. So after my bed we go to my workplace besties. Oh god, let me just open up my workplace. So besties, that's me over there. If you have not checked this video, just go and check it. I was making my dad do some makeup for me besties. Just go and subscribe. So besties, this is my workplace, and it's just that simple besties. This on top of this desk I have my laptop, I have my notebook. I never leave this notebook. And so this is where I do my planning. A sweet there, a pen. This is the cover case of my phone. And now here, this is the bottle of water. Yeah, and that's the chair. I should also have a small part of it in a kupanguza uchafu. Now this is the switch. That's nawekanga multiple of it. Now that's my beautiful ring light. That's it besties. That's basically how my room looks like. So let me just take you a quick look over it besties. So hopefully you enjoy the whole video besties. Comment down below and tell me what I should change. Yeah, come on, it's inspiring still. Oh besties, nilikuwa nimesahau, that's another lighting over there. Then there is another over there. So besties, that's it. Free, I've enjoyed it all. Nikiwa mbali kidogo. So that's it. Yeah, that's me. Yeah. Oh, I didn't see. Yeah, you can see some. So over there is some sweaters. That's one meziona. I have to remove them and then place them over there. Yep. That's basically my room. Bye bye besties.